Good afternoon. This is Dre with Grind Major Day Trading, and I'm grateful that you're checking me out today. If this is your first time watching one of my trade recaps, I'm a self-taught day trader, and my specialty is using out-of-the-money or low-risk spread contracts on Nadex, and my goal is to help as many of you traders become consistently profitable using as little capital as possible. So today was actually a really nice day. Got a really nice buy and a nice sell, and the sell was really quick. So we're going to go over that as well. Just as a reminder, always go over to grindmajordaytrading.com. You can sign up for any services, subscribe to any trade plans or anything. You can shop in the apparel store. You can become an affiliate. You can do all those things at grindmajordaytrading.com. So go over there and check me out. And if you happen to be watching this on YouTube, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can get notified whenever I drop a new recap or some information. You definitely want to watch these videos. It's a lot of great info in there. So you want to be subscribed for that. And if you are on Instagram, make sure you follow me at GM_day trading. GM_day trading. All right. So with that being said, as always, I like to go over what I let my subscribers and my coaching clients know the night before, so that they could be prepared to take advantage of the market when those opportunities present themselves. So last night, shortly after market close, about maybe 6:45, I let everybody know on Wednesday we want to be looking to go long if we get price holding above that 29.78 to 29.80 level. Remember, yesterday that was a target level for us. So we're going to use that level again today on Wednesday. If we're holding above that, we'll be in good shape to take it to the upside. And if we get above the resistance that we'll run into around that 29.90 area, we will be definitely in good shape to see price heading back up into all-time highs again, up into those 3,000s. So let's go over what I did today, because myself and other clients that definitely were doing numbers today, so I'll get their contracts and everything posted on Instagram, and that's where these contracts will be posted as well. So my first position actually was pretty early. It was I got in at around 2:48 this morning. Got in at $39 per contract, and we got in at an entry level of 29.74. Now that was a little bit early in relation to what I said in the plan, but again, because you get familiar with trading the same thing over and over again, you kind of get a feel for it, and you know when you can get in a little early. This is why I emphasize, you can trade 50 charts if you want to. You can have 30 monitors and 50 charts and all of this stuff, and it looks like you're, about to teleport somewhere and all that cool shit. But to make money consistently, day after day, remember, 85% of most people out here only bring home about $100 a day. I don't care what kind of show they're putting on Facebook and Instagram for you, but most people only take home anywhere from $100 to $150 a day. So if you're able to at least make that much in the market, you've replaced your salary. And if you can double that a day, then you're doing damn good. And if you start compounding and doing the things that I teach you how to do at Grind Major Day Trading, you start doing those things, and you're in pretty damn good shape. So you don't need, hundreds of charts to do that. You don't need to focus on a whole bunch of instruments. Find what you love, because price action works on anything. It is the biggest indicator. Everything else supports it. But if you learn price action, in my opinion, you can trade any chart. Myself and my clients do it day in and day out. So anyway, I just wanted to make that point. But so again, we're on the S&P 500 today. I got in at 39 bucks. I got in around 2:45 in the morning on a daily contract that was going to expire at 4:15 today, and I got in a little early at the 29.75 level. They held price pretty much around that level all morning, and then they just decided to take off. Now, I was watching this on a 5-minute chart, which is what we're looking at now, and we got a small price gap to the downside on a 5-minute chart, and it happened right before this drop. So in other words, that was just a really good indicator for me that they wanted to get a good wind up, build up some good momentum, and then take this to the upside, and that's exactly what they did. I didn't want to be greedy. I had to take profit order set. So that order was hit at this point where I got out at $79 per contract with a $40 profit per contract, $1 more than my entry price. So I got 101% return on that position. And that took about 6 hours and 15 minutes. So that was done. Now, I was going to quit for today. That was a phenomenal profit. But I continued to watch because, again, once we get a move strongly in one direction or another, it is very, very common that you'll see a drift in that direction. And I wanted to see if that what was going to happen. So they continued up, some good pushes. They were a little choppy right here, but we got some good pushes to the upside, and we made it up to that 29.93 level. And this is where I said, if we can get above and hold above this level, which happens to be our entry level last week for a position. So again, as you can see, we're using old notes. I put this on obviously this morning to show you our entry level, but these are old notes. So history is just repeating itself. I keep telling you over and over, day after day, when you watch my recaps, you see it over and over again. History repeats itself. So price got above the level that we wanted to see it get above for it to continue up into the 3000s. And that's exactly what we got. I did not enter any position. I didn't try to chase this. I didn't try to enter. But what I did do, because remember, history repeats itself. Remember what happened the last time we got into the all-time highs, we took a dive. This was a no-brainer. I had to take this position. I had to take this. This was absolutely a no-brainer. So I sold a 2-hour contract here. I got in at $25 per contract, sold it less than 30 minutes later. The exact time was 10:26. I was in at 10 o'clock, out at 10:26 with a $33 profit. That is over a 100% return. Remember, I got in at 25. I got out at 33. That's over 100% return. No need to be greedy. Yes, as we're watching this, because we're watching a live chart right now, it is falling. Yes, the trade did not expire for it until noon. There's a whole nother hour left on this trade. Yes, I could have made more money, but why be greedy? I've already made a really nice profit right here. The market has done exactly what I predicted it was going to do here. And I know based on history that it's very likely we're going to sell off from here. And it's happening right before your eyes. So again, you know, it takes some getting used to. You do have to put in the work to learn how to read this and learn how to understand it, but it can be done. I taught myself, and I'm here to teach you. So I'm out for the day. That was a $33 profit. Both trades over 100% return. Beautiful Tuesday today. Excuse me, Wednesday. Beautiful Wednesday. And we're looking good, you know, for July. And that's it. You know, that's it. So today's recap is done. I hope you got a lot of great information from this. Play it back. This is a really good one to watch for a buy and a sell. I hope you get a lot of great info. Again, go over to grindmajordaytrading.com. Follow me at GM_daytrading on Instagram. If you're looking on YouTube, subscribe, hit that bell so you get notified when I drop a video. And I will see you all tomorrow. All right. Have a great one. Peace.